In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a refund paid to a customer in Zoho Books with our full 2025 guide. Let's dive right in and make the refund recording process seamless and efficient for you. We're going to walk through each step to ensure you know exactly what to do and what to look out for along the way. To begin, you'll need to navigate to the dashboard in your Zoho Books account. This is your hub for managing all financial activities, so familiarizing yourself with its layout will make many tasks easier down the road. Once you're on the dashboard, seek out the Sales tab. This section houses all your sales transactions, and it's where we'll be able to handle customer payments and any necessary refunds. With the Sales tab open, direct your attention to the Payments Received section. This is where all incoming funds are cataloged and can be reviewed. Finding the right transaction is key, so take good care to locate the specific payment entry that requires a refund. Carefully selecting the correct payment ensures that your records remain accurate and reflect reality. Once you have identified the payment you wish to refund, go ahead and click on it. You'll notice a refund option becomes available. This is the gateway to reversing a transaction, allowing you to either partially or fully reimburse the customer. Clicking on refund will prompt you to provide additional details necessary to process the refund. Next, you can choose the refund date. It's important to input the date accurately to represent the day you're processing the refund. An accurate refund date can help maintain consistency in your financial records and facilitate smoother reconciliation at the end of the month or year. Following the selection of a date, you'll be asked to choose where the refund was taken from. This typically refers to the bank account or financial repository from which the funds are being withdrawn. Make sure to select the correct account to avoid any overdrafts, errors, or unnecessary fees. Finally, after all your details are checked and confirmed, it's time to click Save. Saving this information will update your records and complete the refund process. At this stage, double check that all entries are accurate, as this final step solidifies the transaction in your financial statements. There you have it, a clear step-by-step guide on how to record a refund paid to a customer in Zoho Books. This process not only helps keep your finances in check, but also ensures you maintain a transparent and trustful relationship with your customers by processing their refunds efficiently. Be sure to keep this guide handy the next time you find yourself in need of recording a refund in Zoho Books.